Welcome back. Lori Lyerla is joining us from the Neosho Chamber of Commerce this morning, here to talk about a very fun free event that you can attend in Neosho this weekend.
That's right. It's Celebrate Neosho. So it is the city's annual celebration of Independence Day, and so it's a full day of events. We have it kicks off bright and early, and there are events really all day, so you could spend the whole day in Neosho.
Okay, and then the whole day like culminates with fireworks.
Yes,
at the end.
yeah. So the day starts out, we are having the High Ground Trail Fest. That's the first earliest event. That is a new bike race. So on the trail, the new bike trails in Morse Park, and so there's a 9-mile race, and then a 5K and a 10K all up in the trails. So that's exciting. That kicks off. You can still register for it. You can find those links and stuff.
Are the 5K and the 10K running races?
Yes.
Then?
Yeah.
Okay, so you got the bike and the running.
Yeah, and they won't be at the same time, so you won't have to be dodging people running if you're on a bike. But those kick off. We have a disc golf tournament. I was talking with the organizers of it last night. You can come that day and register. It's for all ages. There'll be lots of different divisions. It is in Morse Park as well. And then there's a skate park competition and a car show. There's two different ways that you can participate. You know, if you have a classic car or a car, there's a car show that will kick off at the skate park. And registration for it starts at 12, and it is a fundraiser, so it has a $15 entry fee, but it does have prizes in a judged competition. And then from there, we move to the square for all the events on the square, and there will be a cruise in, so you can come from the car show to a cruise in on the square, and that you're able to park on the square and show off your car or motorcycle. That goes till 8 o'clock. We'll kick off the event with a golf cart parade that'll come down Big Spring Hill into the square, and then from there the live entertainment starts on the stage. There will be entertainment all day, so whether it's performances by dance studios, karate studios, or live entertainment. So we have 4 different bands playing. Devitt and Hames kicks off the first one, Folk and Roll, I knew I'd forget the others. Jim Graham and the Speed Bumps, and Josh Larson. So there's some great musical entertainment that's going to be on the square. There's a cornhole competition that you can register for, seed spitting contest. And then in addition, there are so much food. You can just plan to come to Neosho to eat food all day. So there's about 17 different food vendors in addition to all our great restaurants that we have downtown. So it'll be a full day. There's vendors as well, free kids activities. So it'll be a fun day in Neosho.
Mm-hmm. And I love that it's starting off at Morse Park. It's a nice, shaded, beautiful park that, you know, I know we're going to have a lot of heat on Saturday.
It is. The heat
but
is
if you want to come out early and then come back out later in the evening when it cools down a little bit, then.
And there is quite a bit of shade downtown, on the courthouse lawn, and then as the sun sets, the buildings provide quite a bit of shade. But, and then we have, like I said, some great restaurants downtown that, of course, are air conditioned, and you can sneak in and patronize those businesses. But the fireworks are all aerial. It's a huge display over Morse Park, so you'll pretty well be able to see them throughout the downtown area. They're all big fireworks. Like I said, there's not any ground fireworks, so you can be down in Morse Park or just anywhere in the downtown and be able to view those.
Okay, I got a few more questions for you.
No
If you
problem.
don't mind sticking around later in the show, we'll get back to those.
Perfect, thanks.
All right. We'll be right back.